Ashley by Jon Renau is a classic yet sophisticated style. The side swoop bang gives it a nice trendy appeal. It also features a monofilament crown for a natural appearance. I'll be showing you this style out of the box on my model Abby. The longer side bang measures 5.5 inches, so you can wear it off to the side. It gives it that nice trendy look. This also features longer layers in the front that measure 9 inches. It gives it more of a trendy cut, and it also gives it more personality. The monofilament top and crown will give you a natural scalp appearance where it's parted. It also gives you styling versatility and natural movement. The color shown here is FS 26/31. This is a highlighted color. The base is a light auburn, and you'll notice golden blonde highlights all over. The layering throughout gives it nice movement and natural density. The layers at the crown measure 9 inches, and the neckline measures 7 inches. You can have any of the length trimmed, and you can also wear it in a low ponytail or add a headband or hair accessory. This style is available in a child's petite and an adult petite for teens. The full hand-tied monofilament top is comfortable and gives the appearance of your own hair growth where it's parted. The poly strip in the front will allow you to add tape or adhesive. The openings on the sides and back allow the air to come through for coolness. It's lightweight and comfortable. You can adjust the cap size up to 1/2 inch with the smooth Velcro straps. The ear tabs do bend, so be sure that they're not pointing away from the face. You want them to lay smooth and flat so that it conceals your own hair and hairline. Ashley by Jon Renau is a classic length with trendy layers. It also features a natural cap construction. One of the best hairstyles for little girls is the classic bob. Shiloh by Jon Renau is a great length with a shorter bang and mono crown. It gives you a natural appearance and requires little to no styling. I'll be showing it to you out of the box so you can see the haircut and the cap. The bang on this cut measures 3 inches. It is a little bit shorter, so it can be worn forward or brushed over to the side. The layers here on the side measure 5 inches. It is a shorter bob, so depending on who's wearing it, it may be below the chin or a little bit shorter. It also features a monofilament crown. This will give the look of your own hair growth where it's parted. It'll be just in that section, but that's where the hair naturally parts. It gives you that natural appearance, and the bob haircut is ready to wear out of the box. The color shown here is number 8. It's a medium to light brown with natural tones and variation. The layering toward the neckline and at the bottom gives you that nice, rounded, and classic look. At the crown, the layers measure 8 inches, and the neckline is 3 inches. It's very classic. You won't see much of an angle. The ends naturally curve under to give you a nice, flattering look. The hand-tied double monofilament part is comfortable and gives a look of your own hair growth where it's parted. The soft band in the front keeps it comfortable and secure. The openings on the sides and back allow the air to come through for coolness. It's lightweight and comfortable. You can adjust the cap size up to 1/2 inch with the smooth Velcro straps. The ear tabs do bend, so be sure that they're not pointing away from the face. You want them to lay smooth and flat so that it conceals your own hair and hairline. Shiloh by Jon Renau gives you a classic cut that's ready to wear and easy to style. The monofilament crown also gives you a natural appearance.